Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a special treat for my club members. Now, club members are people that get automatic shipments in the mail to them, and this bundle is absolutely awesome. Now, when I ever say the word bundle, that means you save more money. So not only are these items on flash sale price, they are also club member price, but on the bundle, you save an extra 5%. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Now, here is cute little more Garden Bunny to stamp. It coordinates with our club set, but it's not our club set because I needed more bunnies. Then, of course, there's the dies. Then, of course, there's words to add, so fun, cute little things. What's happening in your neck of the woods? Happy days are here to stay. Then there's a background die set, which is really fun. Then there is a Pansy Fold-it, which is amazing, and a Flower Circle 3-pack stencil. Imagine getting this whole thing sent to you automatically at the bundle price, club members only, and guess what? You even save extra on shipping. It's amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.